Assalamu alaikum. So today we are back again on the rooftop after our prayers, and now, as I mentioned yesterday, we are going to plant these spinach and some other vegetables that I bring. Here we have some lettuce, which is iceberg lettuce, and here we have some cabbage turnip. So these two vegetables and this spinach we are going to grow in this container that we prepared yesterday. So let's start. I'm going to make 3 portions now, so I can utilize as much as space I can. So here we have seeds, spinach seeds, which we will grow. I'm not just throwing the seeds like all over, but I will plant them in a proper way, in lines, so it can grow easily. So we now distributed our container into 3 parts. You can see here. The first part is till here, where we are going to grow spinach. Spinach can be grown in dense conditions, so small lines I have constructed here. Here we are going to plant some lettuce, and in this portion we are going to plant some of our cabbage turnip, which I am making now. We have these iceberg seeds, and there are so many, so we will just grow some of them. So here we have all these seeds. These are very small seeds. So now we completed our iceberg lettuce seed plantation in this portion, and now we are moving towards our last portion, and we have the cabbage turnip seeds. You can see these are small seeds. Guys, our plantation has been completed now. Now we will wait and see how long it will take to grow. Mostly the spinach seed, they germinate in 3 to 5 days, same as lettuce. But cabbage turnip, I don't have any experience. It's the first time I'm growing it. So let's see how long it will take. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you again.